God will heal you. Isaiah 38 verse 1. In those days, Hezekiah became ill and was at the point of death. The prophet Isaiah, son of Amos, went to him and said, "This is what the Lord says. Put your house in order because you are going to die. You will not recover." Verse 2. Hezekiah turned his face to the wall and prayed to the Lord. Verse 3. Remember, Lord, how I have walked before you faithfully and with wholehearted devotion, and have done what is good in your eyes. And Hezekiah wept bitterly. Verse 4. Then the word of the Lord came to Isaiah. Verse 5. Go and tell Hezekiah, this is what the Lord, the God of your father David says. I have heard your prayer and seen your tears. I will add 15 years to your life. Verse 6. And I will deliver you and the city from the hand of the king of Assyria. I will defend the city. Dear listener, who can really speak over your life and have it come to pass when God has not spoken? So today, when anxiety or tension tries to take over your mind, remind yourself, I choose what the Lord has said, not what people say, because we are only humans with one breath. Kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification buttons for more videos. Thank you.